the ByeBye Knots wig. Put it on, you go. Real easy, a great beginner wig. It's amazing. So guys, huge shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me their ByeBye Knots wig. I got a 24-inch, 180 density Brazilian wig. It is hand dyed. The lace is already cut. The baby hairs are already pre-made. These wigs, of course, are meant to just pop on your head and go. So you can see, look at that. Hand dyed lace, already parted down the middle. It has an adjustable band for extra security. Brazilian body wave hair. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm definitely gonna curl it and stuff, but I'm gonna show you how it looks just straight on your head, straight out the package. You don't have to do anything to it. Do you understand me? Nothing. Put on your wig cap and that's it. I'm just putting a little bit of my face powder right in the middle of my wig cap just to help it camouflage a little bit. You really don't have to do this. This is just something that I do. Okay, now you're ready for your wig. A lot of companies are doing these ByeBye Knots wigs and I love it because y'all know I hate cutting lace. Would y'all wear it just like this, just straight out the bag? In real time, popped it on your head. Would y'all wear it like this? Y'all know I'm gonna adjust the baby hairs a little bit and curl it. So we'll be right Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Literally took me about 8 minutes to curl my hair and that is it. I didn't cut any layers in the hair. And as you know, I didn't have to cut baby hairs, didn't have to cut lace, nothing. This is the ByeBye Knots wig. Put it on, you go. Real easy, a great beginner wig. It's amazing. And y'all see the curls? Bounce back curls, bounce backs, bounce back. This is 180 density. I love the thicker wig. Y'all know most wigs come in 150 density. So I love that this is giving more fullness. Look at this, it's giving more fullness. So if you can go with 180 density wig, I always say do that. It's just, I don't know. I just like thicker hair. So, but y'all check out Nadula. This unit is perfect. It does come in different lengths, of course. I have it in a 24-inch. You can get it in a 20, an 18, a 22, whatever you want. And if you want to customize it more, you definitely can. If you want to cut layers in it. So yeah, all the details, the links, everything will be down below for this unit. You guys check it out. And there will be a coupon code as well and get you guys a really easy on-the-go wig.
Nadula.